Yeah, people, this side farmers eat all our side. I don't know. Me and Rasta they are going to put in the work.
Rasta Baldhead. Yes,
yeah,
sir.
man. So,
yeah.
big farm up there, so.
Alright.
The farm I know right now, you look on a beer corn, you look on as you can see.
Corn and shoot.
Shoot already, you see me?
Yes.
Then we have some sweet corn.
Which is
we have some regular corn and
alright.
whole heap of things, man.
Corn and pumpkin, tomato, sweet pepper,
lettuce, we have everything.
Lettuce,
yeah,
callaloo. When they make them know, say you have the sorrel here too.
Yeah, man,
sorrel and okra. Yeah, my friend, them you know. Lord of mercy. See tomato them here, people. Tomato and it. Them not start take colour yet.
Yeah, man, see all the sweet pepper them there too.
Okay, alright. We see piglet them here. What happened, sir? You alright? Oi. What happened?
One the name George.
George.
Yeah, Big Red and Gina when I come out of this.
Big Red and Gina. Blouse and skirt. Big Red, are you this Big Red? Okay, answer bite me. Lord of mercy. I'm Big Red and Gina asleep. It's a nice farm. And the thing them must spring up everything me see so far a spring. Yes, people see sweet pepper them a bust out here. See them here? Sweet pepper them here enough for days. See it here? So how you come up with the name them for give them, bro?
That one
yeah.
She now, she craving.
Oh, belly has that one here. Belly has.
Red, yeah.
Okay.
And Gina, this I'm local cousin pig. Some of this.
Okay.
Him say one name or Gina, one girl will break him heart, you know.
Lord have mercy.
Some of this say, alright then. Me I give him it and say, Uncle George.
Uncle George, oh say my the boss.
My the man, him 1 to 3 woman.
Pepper.
Pepper over there, so this pepper.
So it's a female too. Lord of mercy, I say you go on general, you are the man boat here. See the boss here. Him response to everybody.
Come. She friendly, you know, she love play watch. Stop look pam.
Oh, you see her look on her for true. She a side here, yo. Yo.
Him want me.
Oh, so him jump over.
More them jump over that side there.
Oh.
Push through them and go over that side there. So right now, when time them have baby by now and about July, we are going to use black and something and black out for all of them. So when time them we report them, we now put them on farm right down on that side there.
Oh.
We are partition of the picnic them come, you see me?
I have place to move around.
Yeah, bro.
Makes sense.
I be a picnic I go down, so them big one, I go down over in the concrete structure.
Okay.
We are build up, you see me? So the picnic them go stay up so we can manage the board.
Alright.
Them have to move out, because by equipment them start bust up them board there. And so
oh, yeah.
one big.
Yeah.
She small and she big because she crave and them pig have them, I'm telling them have thing they
watch out on him. Shot on him.
Pig have principle too because here what they not do them thing like what everywhere over in pen. One place.
Watch him and smell up our people. Watch her swim. Hey, they say hot. Gina.
Big she come for she will play with it. She not play nothing.
A camera. You don't like that on camera? What is your name? Oink Oink? You want to make the people them know say you gotta have things on sale?
We have whole heap of sucker guys, we have sucker for sale. We have sweet pepper, we have cabbage, we have tomato, we have callaloo, we have sorrel, you name it, we have a lot of sucker for sale.
True.
Come with me, I'm showing you.
Alright.
We have hybrid sweet pepper sucker for sale.
Alright. Hybrid sweet pepper sucker.
We have
Tomato.
And we have them callaloo right there, so.
Callaloo, okay. Callaloo sucker. Yeah.
Lettuce.
Okay.
Yeah, them are lettuce.
Lettuce, yeah man, you can see it.
Them are now cabbage.
Callaloo.
Cabbage right here, so.
Alright.
Portion of cabbage right
there. Yeah.
Over that side I know we have sweet pepper. Pop chow. Through that part of where we walk be a cabbage, as you can see the leaf them pretty.
Oh yeah. For sure. And 1 and 2 pop chow I see too. Got a pop chow this.
Yeah, pop chow.
Yeah, 1 and 2 pop chow there.
Well, so I have hybrid sweet pepper.
Oh.
Hybrid sweet pepper.
So what the difference between them now and the original?
Them one
mix with something?
Yeah, them mix. Them come from America. So California one that them name.
Okay.
So them from California. Big, them bigger than the norm.
Okay.
They have pop chow, right?
So
So
more
regular
pop chow.
pop chow.
Alright.
Yeah, man, people say if you want them, just DM me, we sell them by the dozen. So you can reach out to me and we make you know the price. Wherever you're there, we can find you and we can make them reach you. Wherever you're there. So just reach out to me on TikTok, one TJ, God bless image on TikTok. When you reach out to the page, guys, and DM me, and I'm going to see me post some video on there as well. And you can reach out and we reach out back to you and we can make it work, guys.
Alright. As I say, young entrepreneur, they here, you know, and the youth a try. So you don't know, say, just give him a blind. Oh, my son.
Yeah, man, that is it, you know.
That is
they
it.
are putting in the work, guys. So when you just reach out for me, I want to do local farming, backyard farming.
Yeah.
Big farming to see where we have a whole heap of seed, we have millions of seeds. So any type of farming you want, wish to do, conduct, you just reach out to me, guys, and we can educate you. We have all topsoil for sale as well. We have manure for sale, pig manure, pig feces manure for sale. We have topsoil for sale, guys. We have the best of the best soil, guys. So if you don't want soil for the farming, guys, if you don't even want a sucker but you don't want soil, reach out to me. We bag them. We have $700 bag, crocus bag for topsoil, guys. So just reach out to me, guys.
Say that I want to share to them how much them can get all a crate of the sucker them for.
Oh, so the crate of the sucker then one tray of sucker for 4,000. I think a 72 coming in the tray. So 4,000 for that. So we sew them and you get the sucker them.
So you basically I take out the initial hard work out time.
Yeah,
so I do smooth sailing for them after that.
After that a smooth sailing and then reaping, you know.
Alright,
So
that's cool now, man.
You win, everybody
Alright, that's cool now, man. But the food are the way to go, you know. Right now we need to start planting our place more. So this is a good initiative, people. So when you come on board and support. Everything there, man.
3 weeks cabbage.
Yeah, man.
Coming up.
Alright.
3 weeks cabbage.
Look at them. Pretty.
Sweet pepper over there, sir. And 2 weeks worth of sweet pepper over there, sir, as well.
Alright.
We have pineapple right there up on the side going
Yeah,
up.
I'm just a see it. I'm going to zoom in there, a quick zoom in for you can see the pineapple. You see it right there? See it there, people? Boss up, reap some string bean, you know. Show them how I go on there.
Man, see there? String bean, guys.
Fresh. Watch check out them
we
fresh,
reap them for plant them back, see, I make them dry and get back more.
Yeah, them fresh, man.
When you want to see it, you leave it on the tree like you pick and you left 2 feet one pan if you dry.
When you go replant, don't pick them young. You wait till them dry.
Yeah.
Yes, and then you plant them.
You create them ball hole did you receive water when you
Sea ball you call it?
sea ball hole, yeah.
Sea ball hole.
Straight to the sea go.
Oh, that goes straight to the sea.
The water thinking you not see it again.
So whatever come up out of it before?
On the left hand side you pass the board out upstairs house and this all the water have to go.
Oh.
And a sea ball around 7 sea ball hole around this so I drink water.
Yeah,
man, I eat.
Yeah.
Let me tell you say that drink water, you know. If you
Okay.
really before 3 months, water I drink same way.
Yeah.
And never come over. One time you got a road.
Yeah.
Wash your car and go up on the upstairs up there. Right where you see the board there, you go already. The board put on the concrete.
Yeah, so a history this.
Already, man.
Yeah, man.
And chop.
Yeah.
This year one and the one from the one we are come from.
And that before the hurricane, what
man,
yeah.
before long time before hurricane.
Cha. So we have water flow underneath the earth, yeah.
Yeah, man.
Right, true.
Right to big pond. When them are overflow, I take everything.
Okay.
Nobody can pass. I'll come up on.
Oh yeah, I say boat you have to take come up.
Yeah, boat come pass.
Yeah.
Yeah, positive thing.
When you think the black all boat, you have to take
Oh yeah, I say.
When you like all real flood, rain a fall, man, a flood. Nothing pass. If you pass, you have to come from Lynn Street, come down.
Oh yeah, I say. So you hear that means up here, so it's like we don't call it now. A flow through for the water. Yeah.
It come from so. Israel come so and come. And then the river the back there.
Okay, so you are the back that side there, behind that piece of hill there.
Behind that, over the mountain.
Okay.
You see where I come from?
Oh,
Coal mine. Gold mine.
Okay.
Gold mine that a below bar, topside bar.
Yes, so see the hole here. So this hole is like a runoff where the water run from off the hill.
It's a road that you know a cheat a red gum carry and you can carry a bar, but you have to know it.
Yeah, true.
You come from no road.
True.
No road, just a gully yard daily.
Yeah, so this is a water intake. Water will run from here, run off and run into this hole and go right back to the sea. So Yes, straight to the sea. So this constantly intake water right through. This is what dashi in this? Cocoa. Okay, cocoa and more corn. Yeah man, see it here. Whoa, we have to look nice too man. Because you have to look with the tree fall down and thing. So this drop down from off the road up there so. Yeah. Look on this people. Oh, and you have gungo. Gungo peas right here. A lot of plants man. Gungo. All type of things. More gungo here. Papaya. Banana planting. Wow, the place fruitful. See pumpkin here? Oh, it's a beer. Oh, it may I look for to see it. You see flowers them. Let me try find one. See pumpkin here people. Cover up, alright. See it there? I try to figure out a flight plan for the drone. From where? Planning on taking it from that side. Bring it over the hog pen. And then turn it facing this way. Bring it come all the way over this side. Hopefully can bring it here and make a U-turn around the tree. Catch the hole right here so. And then go back that way. And go which part the fireman there. You see, so that's the hope so we can get the footage there. I want me come from, no J.A. I'm a birthplace, I want me play A. Stop by the river, on a Sunday. Then me drive, go the beach, down a Mope. In a Portland, I want me reach there. As you can see, out in the wilderness in nature. And it is so peaceful and tranquil. But trust me, without the shade, right now the sun is extremely hot. Where is the sun? Let me find the sun. Here it is. It is extremely hot. And it is not even summer as yet. You can imagine, people, prepare for a wild summer this year. So a whole lot right there now. No farther hole you go to lead to. You can't really see it from here, but that hole probably leads to next year. Aki tree right here, so I'm not sure what tree this is. I'll find out. We have a few aki trees on the farm here. This is another one. These are all aki trees along the farm right here. All aki tree. There's another one there. You have a almond. You have a jelly tree right over there. But I think that is on the next property. Some people, you see the sun come out now. You can see the fruits and everything clear. Watch it. Don't know sorrel there, you know. Watch out. Them what you call it, okra are huge. Yeah. $4,000 for each tree. Yeah. 72 coming in a tree. We are going to plant some we go full it as tomato. And lettuce. Yeah. The popcho them are going in the earth. You are going to sow some popcho seed in the earth. So you sow them directly in the earth. Yeah, until we get some more of them tree. That's some tree. So we're supposed to get like 50 tree. So when the tree them come, see them there. I got seed galore. Yeah guys, so if you don't want, then just link me. Link me. We have every type of seed. Everything. Sweet pepper. So we have all lettuce, yeah. Alright. Yeah man, them have brand lettuce. Alright. Yeah. Top of the top. Natural lettuce again the same way. Original. Yeah. Iceberg. That's cool, man. I come through and get a therapy. Look, this is like a therapy session. Yeah, I'm bringing around from the back on the forward. Alright. Yeah. Whoa, 2 times I nearly drop it up. Right, that's really nice, man. This come like on cool local walk path. Yeah. Yeah, man, if you don't want to look at therapy session, then you can. Yeah. You can forward and go now walk through on the farm. They say, oh, McDonald have a farm, but a TJ have a farm. Yeah, the first section of the farm that. Yeah. Now bring and show on the wow, go on, on the excursion. It's like an excursion in a brother. Yeah. Yeah. Alright, so we are cut that way, yeah? This is the hidden treasure. Alright, hidden part. Alright, so we're now so basically we are. Oh, rotted. Rotted, the one next farm around here, brother, man. We have faced a local challenge because we're not so cool. Yeah. So we are trying to think about things where cool you can plant in a cool. Yeah, so if you know, say, yo, that's better in a, grow better in the cool area, you can link me because I plant all
onion and them not forward.
Oh.
They plant all sorrel as you can see.
Yeah, whole heap of sorrel around here, so.
Yeah, them come short.
What you mean them come short? What that mean now? To una understand, una.
Sunlight. Yeah, we have one look outside the bright as well.
Okay.
Pull it then.
Oh.
Yeah, we have tank.
Water tank.
Tank with water.
Yeah. Yeah.
We have factory. That's the one another bed as well, but we currently try.
So no this is no food.
No,
Oh,
the
oh.
right as well.
But this a papa this a what? Cocoa. Yeah,
Yeah, that's a
cocoa
cocoa.
plant.
Yeah, I want some cocoa right now.
Okay, yeah, me see them. Yeah man, them they all over. See them here? See them here all over. See one there, see more there. Yeah man, a whole heap of cocoa around here.
Right now, say I want to walk, you know.
Okay, yeah, come realize a whole heap of ackee tree there around there so too, you know.
Yeah, and if you realize as well, wherever Aki there, you're going to see parrot.
Oh,
So whole heap
whole
of
heap of
parrot
there.
there,
Yeah,
yeah.
me hear them.
Whole heap of parrot there.
Me hear them in the
Pretty.
background.
This is some pretty yellow one, all different type of
Type.
color. Them,
Yeah.
And them big.
Are the big one them?
Go on, yeah.
Right, you want to sketch one of them.
Yeah, them in an even part, them will come close.
Okay.
In an even part, them come
So them friendly, like them not afraid. Them.
Yeah, run us up.
Wow, kinda nice.
Yeah, run us the newest addition on the farm.
Why a whole heap of space, man, a whole heap of.
Yeah, this is 240 foot worth. 240 foot. 240 foot worth worth of land. So we
What?
So,
Cheja.
we have
Okay,
put
so
everything-
what me now cut your water run through ya, so through that little
This
part
will
yeah.
become a river the up top.
How far? Walking distance?
No, good distance.
Good distance, okay.
We have, if we go a river, we have to just take it there and no, so I just.
That way I do, try to go up there.
A good because we ride up there. When the rain fall, the river come down. The river broke way and come.
Come right down here,
through
so.
right, so.
Oh, that the general that show me for sure.
Oh, yeah?
Yes, a good one of them there, man, to come back up here, we can see if we can reach up the one of them there and see
Up there pretty.
see the river.
They're pretty.
If anything-
As I tell you, not hidden treasure. Run us up.
Hidden treasure. Yeah, man,
Run us
I real
half limits,
facts.
yeah,
I
but
real
run us a pretty
facts.
man.
A
A
real
therapy
facts.
session this guys.
Yeah, man,
So
true,
we come
true.
to them place, yeah.
So right now, them people can book
And-
for come here, come all the local vibes
Yeah,
then.
you can book for coming and it's not too far outside of Kingston, not too far outside of Old Harbour Town. So
Yeah.
it's like 15 minutes from Old Harbour Town and about 30 minutes from Kingston.
Kingston.
So
Yeah.
really nice guys.
Yeah, true,
You
true.
come through and you can see a lot of things there. For
Yeah.
Rasta there we teaching the culture and the
Yeah, and how planting and farming go.
yeah, Rasta we teaching everything
Yeah.
farming like.
So, Fire, what kind of history you can give them? Give them a look at history now.
What you farming?
Yeah, or about the place, anything
Well,
where you feel
we
like.
can give them about the place, and this place is a good place.
True.
And 50% of sea ball hole, send water to sea. Because where you do that, send it to sea. One time you overflow and
Oh,
damage out the road there. Take your car and truck and bus.
gone with them.
Because they got a big pan.
Lord of mercy.
the soil rich guys, anything
Yeah.
you plant in this soil, trust me, you have to benefit, you have to become successful from you use this soil plant.
True.
Anything in your backyard garden, if a big farm in your anything at all guys,
Yeah.
just get some other soil. Link me.
And soil is for
Get some
sale.
other soil. One TJ God bless image on TikTok and just reach out to me. Soil for sale $700 or crocus bag $700. So
Alright.
reach out to me and we can make you get some sucker, soil, anything you know. I'm
Yeah.
setting up for the farm guys.
Yes, I.
Really.
When I cool for true,
So you
man.
see when rain fall for days round here, still wet.
Oh.
And something, yeah. So
Yeah,
me
yeah,
never
yeah, me
because-
notice here for true. Yeah,
Yeah, so
can
me
see
never
it.
because of that make some of my things them not really come. So
Oh.
cause you see run at the front flourish and look
Yeah,
pretty.
yeah, because you have a
Run
balance
so-
with the
yeah,
sun.
So we try to find the formula and the remedy fix start out around here. So definitely.
Yeah, makes sense. But what kind of pineapple them? I want some different type of pineapple them though.
Yeah, Rasta, tell us.
Rasta, a hybrid pineapple them here? Okay, them a hybrid pineapple, you know. Yeah.
You all of this to go right, so.
So, all of them something where I see a peanut?
No. See one of them you just stick out there.
Oh, it's underground.
Yeah. But you want more water, see there?
Oh. So, how you didn't know say a peanut? Which plant?
I mean,
you
no
see?
hole, then dig in a hole. See, we have to turn up now.
Oh, a hole. So, in a shoot, no leaf, no tree.
No, you leave no come out yet. You leave soon come out.
Okay. So, basically, I say more water for it bust out and start spring.
Aye.
Okay.
But you go bust out now this water where you get now.
Oh.
Spring. The whole of that could put a place for a peanut.
Be a peanut.
Yeah.
Alright, that is good, man.
Now, see there. See that come out already. See there. Aye, that a come.
Okay. Oh, yes, I see it. They say this how the earth was opening up feet come out.
Yeah, so.
It's a papaya tree this.
Cassava.
Oh, a cassava this.
Yeah. Right,
Okay.
right now, cassava.
So what kind? Sweet or bitter?
I don't plan bitter one.
Oh.
One you see a sweet one.
Sweet, okay, sweet. Okay, then we have some more hybrid cabbage sucker them here. Okay.
If we catch the right amount of
Termite nest.
I said, you know,
Big termite nest. George is a magician. Nobody knows when him a move.
See water.
Watch ya. Man, reach over there, you know.
I see like you are saying work.
Oh, George. Oh, you reach over here. Yeah, Houdini.
No, son, no, don't come.
I jump over,
No,
man.
this same come.
Over there, so?
No, right through here, so.
Where?
Increase.
George, I say I go on. George, a Houdini, man. George, a magician. See the people, you know what this? This is Cersei bush. Cersei bush. They may grow some yellow fruit with some red seed. That's all? Yellow fruit with red seed and it's sweet. Cersei bush. But the bush itself, when you boil tea with it, it's bitter. That's why them say bitter like Cersei. There's the boss in my farm, you know? Boss in there.
Active, you know?
Yes, sir.
And just get rain, so.
May I have deja vu? Yeah. See, you see him to me, I tell you, say, I have deja vu, what that me I say.
Yeah, I know, man. I know you go.
Yeah.
Ready for there already, too, you know?
True.
I say, yes, this steer way, no, bro. Yes, sir?
Yeah.
Yes, sir, the Rasta, one go. Rasta never take less than our Rasta take. Him bad man, in my chap. Rasta one of the greatest chopper of all time. I tell you.
Same terrible.
Yeah, man, Rasta, him clean up a whole place where you see.
Ah, the land from down to come. I go and then go back. But then when we chop them, they say they want port.
Yeah, so now plow up on the plants so you can take on the water easier.
Yeah, it hold water now. Now
Yeah.
water hard to run through.
Breathing, you know?
Yeah.
Oxygen.
All of them are sweet pepper, right?
Yeah, and kill out the little weed them
Yeah,
in
over
there.
here, sir, sweet pepper.
Okay.
It's about 200 sweet pepper over here, sir.
Okay.
And nearly that, yeah, nearly
I'm
200.
200.
Yeah,
More than 200.
Yeah, with the plant some more up there, sir.
Okay. People, the pig, when I pick them just bark like a dog a while ago. I never know if a pig can do that. I wonder if them can do it again. She know the bark a while ago like dog.
You never seen that we move over, George.
Yeah, me I say me miss it, man.
George, I behave.
Easy, you know. They are say Rastaman and Bustaman tea. And Paul Bogle. Paul Bogle usually go school a fight over girl. Do you along the Rastaman dip on earth?
Yeah, Rasta day along, Rasta know everything. Rasta how much? 119?
190, you mean? Pombat! You hear that?
Rasta say my
140. No joke. Jaja got it.
Rasta say me how much? Me how much again?
You know, I'm 40 and I'm 80.
So me about how much? How much they say me how much again?
So if you are 40, you are 80, and if you are 30, you are 60.
Me a 6. Rasta say me a 60.
Which way I put them?
Right, which for them other one I did there?
Okay.
Me I take out them.
For them not good.
No, we are planting them somewhere.
Oh.
Rasta can tell you everything about the whole ground.
Yeah, man, them have part of fruitful land, brother. Anything you put down, anything. And I come plant everything and everything I plant they get.
So we find the next part, people. Right from off the part to the next side leading to the other farm. And here says a nice little opening. But if you can look, there is evidence of coal burning. So somebody usually burn coal, we call it coal till or skill or something like that. Yeah. So this is a location where charcoal would be created by using mud and slow heat. Natural way, you know. And this area is filled with parrots, huge parrots all over. Seems like there's a cave around here. Yeah, it is a cave. Yeah, there it is. It is a cave, but it more look like it's a runoff for water. But it is a cave nonetheless. Let me see if I can find access to it. Yeah, look a rumbling sound, don't know what that was all about. If I go through the whisk right now, people. Yeah. Okay, yeah man, it is in fact a runoff for the water. You know how far this could lead to? Yeah, because this run off all of the heavy water from off the hill. You have another sinkhole over that side. Yes, my people, made it across. Look at this ledge. Hey, don't want to step right there because it might look safe, but it can be that the sticks is catching the leaves, and it seems like it is a solid ground, but it might be just a trick. Let me be careful. Oh, low. Oh, see, cameras are risky. For the camera, yeah, you know. Cameras are risky. You see that going down way down in there, so. Now gonna further. Don't see what I come for see. If I squeeze through, people, some woodpecker nest there. Some woodpecker nest that, you know. I don't know, maybe them that create some hole. I don't know. Oh, probably them look for termite. Yeah. So they're getting some food, you know. Can't wait. Watch him. Yeah, terrible one. This is what she trying. You see, she have always the overhead crossway. Oh, she trying to protect it. Yeah, she don't want to get the next one. So she bigger than that. You see, if you look a small one, and put she by herself and she get feeding broke off. Them are bully her. Big, you see, them about to put on big fight out in there. Oh yeah, I see. She don't want to get none, you know. So, PJ tell me say, this a figure was the smallest one. I look how big she get, and she get so big because she can eat.
3 months old.
3 months?
Yeah.
Gotcha. They say she bite you? They say?
When we take her up, we are bringing her from Portland. She bite me, bring her lip up and she grab me. We got the hospital for the sake of that one, you know.
Oh yeah, I say.
She kick one post, a piece of poster. We never nail up it. They right there so. And she use her mouth and link it up so. And me slide and my hand sink down for one big old nail, fat nail. Get her injection.
Use her
mouth and link it up because she want to feed you. They're aggressive when they want something.
Food,
She no business, like she no business and she's hungry.
Mad.
Food time. You have to know where you are.
No, that's why brown afraid of her, so.
No, the brown one is not afraid of her. That's a milk part. Yeah, that one, the brown one, we fight her, man.
Okay, because they're almost the same size, you know.
Yeah, the brown
she just a little bit fatter.
The brown one, we contest her, man. And
okay.
Just get back off.
So George look like him cool, though.
You George?
Yeah,
George
nah violate.
I just want to rush them, you know. One time, anybody eating, so I separate him. The woman them, so I separate him, put him by himself. Days him not eat for.
Stress out the man to rotted.
Stress over a woman them.
God.
Typical the man, you know?
Yeah.
Stress over a woman. See them.
Yeah, so the man a tear on the place to come over. I threw me never catch him on the camera, you know, but him tear down and come over and then him have to carry him over back and be nice him there make.
Over them always there. Always over there.
Yeah, because them look like them bigger than him. Him probably afraid of them one, yeah.
I'm painted something like so them it drip water, so them go suck it like a breast nipple. Yeah, we currently work for now.
So them always have water whenever, fresh water.
Yeah, but when I'm ready, let's see them go pool, let's see them choke off.
Yeah, me see it early on. Eat some of the food, then him go over go drink water, then come back come and eat.
So I'm give them it wet, them not drink no water. So give them it dry, them throat dry, so them
have to drink water. Yeah. So I'm gonna plow up the ground for plant some seed there, so this is gonna be a little sucker bed. Some tomato I gotta go here, so me I gotta plant it, you know, so stay tuned for that. That's it. Nice fresh dirt. See that? Nice and fresh. Got that. So them are my sweet pepper sucker, them I carry home. That's it. Alright, DJ, I throw them out, give me.
So you can drop some back, some more seed right there. So.
Yeah. Yes, getting some lovely cabbage. Yeah, man. Hey, you can feel, look how warm this. Nature is beautiful, you know. Look at this. So you don't know next month or more. They will start spring out.
By a month then they may spring up, man. Springtime.
Alright. Yes, my people. So TJ just give me some sweet pepper and we are going to fill out that bed here. So this is going to be a sucker bed for sweet pepper. Alright. So how am I going to do it now? Just sprinkle it.
Use the hand, take it in your hand.
Oh, check it in my hand. Okay. So make them so pink.
Are the thing with them have on it, man.
Oh, them put something on it for sprout the growth. So when we're done, we're going to store the side.
Yeah, I use the machete and store it.
Alright.
Rainfall and catch man now, them nice.
Nice, you know.
Nothing like rainwater, you know, man. You know who make rainwater, but rainwater.
Yeah, but
yes.
You don't know who make it. And God make it.
Rainwater the best.
Yes, brother. Which is right. We're outside, you know. There upon TJ farm. And we're there go and keep calm. We just done sow a local sweet pepper and thing. And right over there is some corn. This is my people, so as you can see the seeds are already sown. So we're going to till the soil a little bit. Just like that, my people. Look at that. See seeds? I just till it so you can go under the dirt. So you can mix in the dirt. So this is some pop through this. I go into that. Wow, them one are blue and pretty, man. Let me see them in your hand. Yeah, look there. Blue and pretty, so them pretty and blue, so.
And then come pink too.
Eh? Shut God, look there. Come like a Christmas or a berry. They say by March, them fully grown.
By March, you know, big seed them.
March?
By end of March.
Oh, so they are store up the thing, you know?
Grow what you eat what you grow.
Alright. Alright. And people don't feel like you're too big or you reach too high in a life and society for you come do this. These are the roots. You see, once you know how to do this, you can survive in a life. All if you don't have money. Once you can till the soil, you can eat food. Because at the end of the day, at the same food you go back and use the money go buy. You get what I say? So till the soil. See it at TJ out here and look there. Beautiful. And don't take it for a joke. It might look simple, but it take work. But at the end of the day, it all worth it. Is what I say. That's a code. You're outside.
That is it.
Yes, my people, see it here? They are on the farm. And we keep calm. We have some sweet pepper, some cabbage and callaloo. So you don't know the thing setting us straight from the earth, straight from nature. And what we there? TJ farm. See fireman there? That's a code. We're outside. God bless.